Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus Pad 3. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. And now click open and then click continue. Now you can choose another web browser as your default browser, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and here you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.